Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. Today I have 7 DIY projects that I am so excited to share with you. They are quick and so simple and would be perfect for party favors or treats to hand out for this spooky season. With all that being said, grab your favorite fall drink, get comfortable, and come along with me and let's art today. Jumping into DIY number 1, we are going to be making a coffee mug party favor or treat bag. So I got this mug at the 99-cent store. It does have a little jack-o'-lantern on it. I'm just stuffing the mug with some spider webs to add a little height. I have 2 pumpkin spice coffee pods and I have some whole earth sugar packets that I'm going to attach to the cup with some double side tape. Now remember, you can always add more, you can take away, whatever you feel like. I think this is such a perfect gift because it comes with a mug, it comes with the coffee pods and some sugar, and they can make their coffee however they like. There are so many mugs at the 99-cent store and the Dollar Tree that you can choose from. I just thought this one was perfect, and now I will be adding a little decoration with a little pick that has a jack-o'-lantern on it, and then I will be placing it into a bag. Dollar Tree does sell all kinds of bags that you can place your little gift in, but I chose to use this clear bag so you can see the gift through it. And I also purchased this ghost ribbon from Dollar Tree as well, and they sell a whole bunch of different types of ribbon that you can use, and I am just going to tie it off and make a little bow, and that is it. And here is the final product. I absolutely love this. I think it's so simple and so easy to do. All you need is a couple things from the 99-cent store or Dollar Tree, or even your home if you want to get rid of some old mugs that you no longer use. And I think these are perfect for party favors or even a little treat bag for a teacher or a family member. Moving on to DIY number 2, I am going to be making a tea light gift set. Now Dollar Tree has a whole bunch of different tea light holders, especially around the Halloween season. They have creepy hands and skulls, and I am going to be working with the skull on this project. Dollar Tree has a whole variety of bags and boxes that you can insert your gifts in, but I am just going to use this box that I had on hand. I'm just putting it together, and then I'll be inserting the tea light inside with a Dollar Tree match box. Dollar Tree has these cute journaling cards, pictures that you can cut out, and I'm just cutting out the trick or treat sign, and I will be placing that in the front of my box using my double-sided tape. I am also going to add some tea lights to this package. Now Dollar Tree sells a whole bunch of different types of candles, but since this is a tea light holder, I'm adding some tea lights that I made a long time ago. And I'm tying everything up again using this ghost ribbon. And here's how this one turned out. I absolutely love it. I love that it's not the normal bag of candy. I love that it's really thoughtful. You get to choose your tea light holder, what kind of candles you want to give them, and so on. And this is a perfect gift for a teacher, a family member, even a preteen. Now I wouldn't give it to a youngin' because it is glass, but I think it's such a great gift. Rolling into DIY number 3, it has a similar theme but a little bit different. So I am going to be making a wax warmer gift set. Now the first thing I am doing right now is taking one of these Dollar Tree trays and I'm painting it completely black. Now that our tray is dry, we can add the goodies to it. So I'm first adding this candle holder, which I purchased at Dollar Tree. Now you're supposed to add a tea light on the bottom and then either add your oils or wax to the top. It melts down and it fragrances your house. So I'm adding that to the tray right now. I'm also adding the tea lights that I made, but you know Dollar Tree does sell tea lights. I also am adding a book of matches that Dollar Tree sells, and now I will be adding my wax melts. Now Dollar Tree does sell wax melts, but I make wax melts, and here are a few that I make. This one's called Hansel and Gretel's Nightmare, Autumn Sunrise, and Oh My Gourd. And let me just tell you, these wax melts smell so amazing, and I am just over thrilled by the throw that they give to my house. And just look how cute this package is. I would love to receive this as a gift. Like I said, it's not in the norm. It's out of the box. It's very thoughtful if you was to have a party or give it to a teacher, a family member, anyone you like. I just think it is so adorable and so thoughtful. Now I'm just putting it into a bag and I'm tying a bow with that same ribbon. And just look how cute this is. I absolutely love it, and I think it would be such a great gift to give out. Like I mentioned earlier, I do make my own wax melts. If you are uncertain of what wax melts are, they are just scented wax that you would put in a wax warmer or a wax burner. They would melt down and they fragrance your room or house depending on how much you use. Now, this is no obligation. I just thought I would share this with you because you guys have been so supportive of my YouTube channel. I added my website here up above if you would like to check them out. I make them with cute, funny names, and they are highly scented. And with the holidays just around the corner, I thought this would be perfect for you all. Moving along right into DIY number 4, I am going to be making little sanitizer bags using these burlap bags that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using some hand wipes, tissues, this hand sanitizer, and a mask to fill them. So I wanted to decorate the hand sanitizer using those same poster stickers. I cut the jack-o'-lantern out, used my double-sided tape, and placed it on there. I add the tissues and hand sanitizer to one, and the hand wipes and the mask to the other, and that is it with this DIY. So simple. This is good for little trick-or-treaters, a party, for your neighbors, anybody. I just think this is such a great and thoughtful gift and handout for the season. DIY number 5 is so easy and simple. I don't even know if you can call it a DIY. So all I did was take Dollar Tree Halloween zip-up bag and I added some tea bags to it, and that is it. But I know that I would appreciate a little gift or treat bag like this, so I had to include it. Moving along to DIY number 6, I am going to fill up these mini buckets that Dollar Tree carries. They have the skull or the cauldron, and I'm going to fill it up with candy. Even though this has candy in it, I thought it was a great DIY because it comes in a cute packaging idea with the little cauldron or skull bucket, and I just think these are so adorable. I know kids would love these, and they'd be cute for little party favors or little treats for a classroom party. And finally, DIY number 7. I have seen this DIY all over Pinterest and I had to try it for myself. All you have to do is find a glove and shove candy down the finger parts and you get a handful of candy. And I just think this is so adorable, so easy, and it will be perfect for little trick-or-treat bags, a party, etc. And all I did was tie a little jute string around the bottom so the candy wouldn't fall out, and that is it. I want to thank you all for joining me and coming along today through these DIYs. If you're new here, hello, my name is Justina. I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. If you can please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to click on the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new content. And also, if you can give me a big thumbs up, it really does help out my channel. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next one.